Hi, I'm Season, an Agile coach and trainer with Agile Learning Labs. If you're here, you've taken one of our workshops and received a certification from the Scrum Alliance. Congratulations! Some certifications require entering work experience in a Scrum role. Here's how you do it. First, you'll get an email from the Scrum Alliance asking you to enter your work experience. Click on Add Work Experience. Once you log in, you'll see your dashboard with a notification to enter your work experience. This will look different depending on what workshop you took. Click on Manage Your Experience, then Add Work Experience to enter the required work experience. Here, you'll fill out details about your role. I'm using Product Owner at Agile Learning Labs as an example. Then you'll be asked how this role lines up with a specific accountability in Scrum. Because Product Owner is a Scrum accountability, I'm able to copy and paste my role from above. You may want to use this section to describe how your above role fits with the Scrum accountability of ScrumMaster, Product Owner, or Developer, depending on what certification you've earned. Once you've submitted your work experience, if you have any other experience you'd like to add, scroll down and click Add Work Experience. You can confirm you've entered the necessary experience by returning to your Scrum Alliance dashboard, where you can now accept your certificate. You'll also receive an email confirming your certification and an email with your digital badge. If you'd like to bring a certified Scrum workshop to your teams, or you'd like some help in putting what you've learned into action, come to agilelearninglabs.com for more.